Good morning, guys. Dragonman here. I'm in my machine shop, motorcycle machine shop, and mostly this is what I do all day. I repair Harley-Davidson motors and transmissions. Okay, so anyway, it's mostly a mail order business, and if you're going to send me any work, you got to make sure you pack everything good. I'm going to show you how to pack everything in a couple of minutes, but I want to show you a couple of jobs here. This we're going to pack up in about a half hour. This is going, let's see, this is going to Florida, and I did the heads. See how nice the heads come out? All glass beaded, new valves, stainless steel nitrated valves, new exhaust port, all glass beaded, 2-angle valve job, new seals. We got cast 8.5 to 1 compression stock pistons. See, what a nice fit. And we give you Hastings rings and a top end gasket set. See that? And you can't beat the prices. Just give me a call. I'll tell you the prices on the phone. And the turnaround time is about 1 week. But I'm starting to get really busy now. February, March, April, everybody wants to get ready for the spring. And they send everything in at once. So the sooner you send your jobs in, the better. Don't forget to write down what you want me to do and a return address and telephone number. Okay, this is the sports motor I'm doing, the whole lower end. We're going to glass bead the cases. We're going to give them new rod set, 3-hole crank pin, 54 turns of roller bearings, Timken bearings, pinion shaft bearings, cam bearings, and then the customer will assemble the rest. He built a real nice box over here. See, for a sports motor. See that? And the better you pack it, the safer everything will be. If you're going to send me like a pan head or a shovel head, like this guy sent me over here from Ohio, you put the lower end in a plastic milk crate. See, you get a plastic milk crate like that. The whole lower end goes in there. Okay, and then you get 4 smaller boxes into 1 bigger box. The 2 heads in each box, the 2 cylinders in each box. And this is the best way to send your motor, and the fins won't break, and everybody will be happy. Okay, here, come around the turn here. I have everything in stock. We have the seals, the racers, the bearings, all the gaskets, the seals. And this guy here, he just brought his motor in Tuesday. Today is Thursday, and it's going to go out next Tuesday. So 1 week turnaround. So I'm getting ready to glass bead everything. If you notice, see, I put screws in here in all the threaded holes. This way the glass beads don't get into the threads. And, that way it will clog up the threads and the screw won't go all the way down. Okay, so we put all the screws in, then we glass bead everything. 95% of everything I do is glass beading. I glass bead almost everything. Okay, he wants a high lift cam, 590 thousandths lift cam. And because he's doing that, he's got to have the high lift springs. See, that's the high lift spring kit, and that's the stock springs. Look at that. Look at the difference. And I always set the springs to 175 pounds valve to seat pressure. He wants port and flow. So we're going to open up the combustion chamber. We're going to open up the exhaust port, the intake port. Stock at 38 millimeter. I open it up to 44 millimeter. So if you got a S&S carburetor, G-Series carburetor, E-Series, it'll match the porting job. So we're going to do all that for him. We're going to balance the flywheels. First we're going to shave them, then balance them. Take about 2.5 pounds off. Okay, follow me. I've got a few more things I want to show you. Okay, look how nice the connector rods come out after I glass bead them. See that? Then we take the racers out, the bushings out. We make sure they're straight. We put new racers and bushings in. And then we go to the honing machine and hone them out the standard. Okay, so over here, this is where I do all the honing. We got 7 honing machines. This is my automatic stroker machine. All the machines adapt to 160 mandrels. I got every one of them. Yeah, check it out, top and bottom. From a 1/4 inch, 250 thousandths to 5.5 inches. These are mandrels for the honing machines. Okay, so over here we read about the connector rods. Turntable work goes over here. Over here I hone out the bushings. This is my motor testing stand. I do a complete motor. A lot of times I like to run the whole motor and adjust everything. We got a twin compressors here. See that? This puts out a lot of CFMs. And this is my older glass beading machine. And In a second, I'm going to show you my new glass beading machine. All my parts go in here. I use this machine. I probably have it for 35 years. Okay, see how nice the flywheels come out? Gets everything, all the dirt, carbon, everything off of there. And this way it's a lot easier to work on. So anyway, I just bought a brand new glass beading machine. And yeah, let me show it to you over there. 13 grand. And top of the line machine. And we're going to put that probably right over here in the corner. This is it right here. It just came yesterday. And isn't this a beauty? Yeah, look at the size of that recycling unit. There's the filter that goes in there. And this is top of the line. Yeah, take a look inside if you've never seen what's inside a glass beading machine. See, your arms go in here. See that? And see, you hold the gun here, and it's almost like spray painting. And that shoots these little glass beads, not sand, but glass beads on the metal, and cleans everything. Sandblasting is a lot rougher. Glass beads are nice and fine. So my idea is all the dirty stuff is going to go in the old machine, and after it's cleaned, it's going to go into the brand new machine and make it even nicer. So and then as the glass beads get dirty in the new machine, it's going to go in the old machine instead of throwing the glass beads out like I always do. So it's actually going to save money over the years. So I got to get a bunch of friends over here and move this into the corner, hook it up to the electric, and I'll be all set. So if you guys want to really send me any work, try to get it in the next month, because really the end of February I'm going to be slammed. This whole floor here is going to be full of machine work and motor jobs. Okay, any questions, give me a call, 719-683-2200. Any questions, give me a call. I don't mind answering your questions. Thanks a lot for all your business. I'm doing this work for over 55 years. Thank you. Have a great weekend.